Ravi wakes up at 7 o'clock. He turns off the alarm and goes to the bathroom. He washes his face and brushes his teeth. Then he takes a shower and gets ready. He wears a blue shirt and black pants. He eats breakfast with his sister. "I'm going to work," he says. "Good luck," she replies. Ravi leaves the house and takes the bus to the office. He listens to music on the way. At the bus stop, he meets his friend. "Hi, how are you?" the friend asks. "I'm fine. Just a little tired," Ravi says. At work, Ravi turns on his computer and checks his emails. His manager calls a meeting. They sit at a round table. "I have a new project for you," the manager says. Ravi writes notes in his notebook. "I'll start today," he replies. At lunch, Ravi eats with his co-workers. He has rice, vegetables, and juice. They talk and laugh together. After lunch, Ravi makes some phone calls and sends a few emails. He finishes his work by 5 p.m. He leaves the office and walks to the bus stop. On the bus, he listens to a podcast. He watches the sunset through the window. At home, Ravi changes his clothes and helps his mother cook dinner. They eat together and talk about the day. After dinner, he watches TV for a short time. Then he reads a book. At 10 p.m., he goes to bed, sets his alarm, and turns off the light. "Good night," he says to himself.